Hey everyone, today we will be going over breadth first search for a balanced tree, and without any further hesitation, let's get started. And now focusing on breadth first search. So breadth first search overall is a type of search technique where we are actually searching throughout the entire tree, but we are focusing on the levels per se, starting from the top down. So say for instance we have our following tree that we have with 20 as the root, and we have 10 and 30 accordingly as its children. Now for breadth first search, it will scan through the rest of the tree, but really it's going through each level. So it starts from 20, goes from the leftmost node to the rightmost node, and it goes based on levels. So imagine that there are circles really circling from the top all the way down from the left to the right that are being drawn in this type of fashion. So that is the best way of describing breadth first search. Goes down by level. And so we will be able to replicate this by doing the following. So let's do our function BFS right here for including the node and its root. And mind you, there's a key difference that makes breadth first search is that breadth first search uses a queue, which means we will go back up to what we've already done for this balanced tree, and we're going to include queue for the STL library. And we'll be doing the following. So we'll be checking in particular and searching throughout our root. We will return and initialize our queue using a node. And we will push all the instances whenever we are visiting each node and putting inside of our queue by using the push function, also known as the enqueue. And so while the queue is not empty, we will have a node set up to the front because queues go first in, first out. It will output the node's data by going node key and putting in spaces accordingly. Then we're going to pop the queue indicating that we've already visited, and if the node to the left is where we're at right now, we're going to push the information of the node that is at the left into our queue. And then we'll do the same thing for the right, check both the right and the left because we're already checking the root, and keep searching throughout the rest of the tree using breadth first search. So I'm going to double check. Looks like it's all good. Now we're going to output our breadth first search function by doing the following. Breadth first search for this, and we would go breadth first search AVL root. Let's build this, make sure it's all good. All right, let's run this bad boy, and does the same thing. Ready to go right here. Yep, it does it. So we have our tree 20, 10, and 30 as what we've already inserted. And kept everything organized. And then we have breadth first search accordingly. Go from 20, 10, and 30 in that case. Going through each level, having those imaginary circles per se, going from the top all the way down to the bottom, at the leftmost to the rightmost. And so let's move over to depth first search. Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please put them in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.